Hey there, today we are at Disney's Beach Club Resort and we are staying in a resort view room, and I think I have found one that is maybe worth requesting. We're in room 2585 and let's go check this thing out. It's gorgeous. Stepping into the room here. Immediately, I think it's worth noting that you have the coffee maker here. And it's just like a Keurig, and you have all the coffees and teas and an ice box, really well laid out. And of course you have a drawer that you can store stuff if you would like, and you do have a little refrigerator as well. It's actually a pretty decent size. Actually looks like it can hold quite a bit, and it's deep. Normally these are not super deep. I do love how deep that one is. Let's go ahead and move on now. If we come over here, you'll immediately come to the closet. I'm going to just open up the closet door. We do have all our luggage in here right now, but it's actually a pretty sizable closet. Like, I'm impressed. Like, we both checked bags, both have our backpacks in here, have golf clubs. So that actually does a pretty good job there of giving you some good space. And like, if you're a family of 4, you definitely have enough space in there to store things. Then we come to the bathroom. I do love how they have the bathroom set up. Hello, camera. But you have a double vanity here with beautiful wallpaper that just screams like Northeast Beach, which is the theme of this resort. You have towels in convenient locations. You do have a makeup mirror right here, but double vanities are massive when you're on vacation. And also, what's a big deal is that this is not connected to, it's not like you go into the bathroom and there is just a commode. That is in a separate room. So people can be getting ready out here while other people are taking a shower or using the restroom in here. This shower is beautiful. Of course, they have the Disney bath products here, which smell phenomenal. And then you have kind of the marble stuff in the shower, and it looks like a nice shower head there. Excited to try it out. You do have the clothesline here where you can dry your clothes, which is very nice there. And it is a tub, so if you have a family, that's a big deal. If you want to bathe some children, I do love the glass as well, though. I think that is a big deal. We'll go ahead and head out here, where immediately we come into the main living area of the room. And I will say, if you are used to a value resort, this is definitely not a value resort. It is definitely a lot larger of a room, and it just feels so much higher quality in every aspect. The furniture feels solid and legitimate. You have a little bench here where you can get ready, and also you can store stuff underneath. That's a big deal. You have kind of your dresser cabinets here that have all the places where you can store things. That's really nice. Plus, you have these marble-esque countertops with USBs and plugs. That's a huge deal there as well. We're here for an anniversary trip. It's neat that they put happy anniversary on the TV. And of course, you have this piece of furniture here, another mirror where you can sit there and do makeup or check out things. More USBs there. You do have a chair here that pulls out, and you have this. This rolls out and can go anywhere. This is a 2-queen room, and so it does have the double queen beds. That is a big deal if your family is sleeping here, and they're like legit queens. Very nice, very comfortable as well. I love the Daisy enjoying beaches and cream here at the Beach and Yacht Club Resort. You can turn these lights on and off. So like if I turn that off, it will turn off there. So that's kind of a nice little thing there. These are new in all the rooms. It's the Hey Disney setup where it can help you with your stay. As you can see, these are new here. Now, why I think this might be the best room happens to be because of what we see out here. Once again, this is a resort view room. So, and you can look, sometimes, if I can figure this out, sometimes you see the price tags on water view rooms going for a couple $100 more than a resort view room. Amelia's out here, but check this out. First off, notice the size of the balcony. It is absolutely massive. Look at this. So much space. Like, if you have kids and just like, hey, go out on the balcony, like, look at all this space. But you've already seen it. Look at this view here. Once again, this is a resort view room, and wow, it is gorgeous. Immediately you see that you have the gardens and the volleyball net, but like you can see the beach out here, you can see the water, you can see the edge of the boardwalk, you can see the dolphin there, parts of the Swan Reserve. It is absolutely gorgeous, and I imagine at night when all the lights come on, it's going to be beautiful as well. I would say the only drawback is that you are like right next to these other rooms, and so it's a little bit less privacy, but I think it's worth it because I think that those rooms are technically water view rooms, where this one is a resort view room, and so you get a lot more bang for your buck when you have one of these rooms. And I think it's most of these along here are going to be considered resort view as well. So that's a pretty neat setup and absolutely gorgeous all the way around. Thank you so much for watching this room tour of a resort view room here at Disney's Beach Club Resort. If you are interested in staying in this room and you want help requesting it and booking it, I am a certified travel planner. My services are 100% free to you, and I will take care of all the headache. If you ever have to call and make changes, I can help you with dining reservations or anything that you need at all. I would love to help out. I'm gonna put my email in the description below. So if you would like to reach out to me about getting help on your next Walt Disney World vacation, send an email to ben@keystoDreamTravel.com. I would love to help you out. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you don't mind hitting the like and subscribe button, and send this video to a friend and say, hey, we need to go stay in this room right now, that would be great. Comment down below, what is your dream Disney resort and why? I'd love to hear. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you next video.